Hey y'all, welcome back to Rooster's Recipe.
Today we are going to be sharing with you how to make a delicious one pot rice skillet. Oh yeah, you always forget what we're making every single week.
It's called getting old. So the first thing you will need is about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and you're going to brown it along with the onions as well. So you also need 1.5 cups of uncooked white rice, a packet of taco seasoning.
Look, it's pepper.
So you will need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You will need 3.5 cups of chicken broth. So you will need 1/4 cup of tomato sauce.
Okay, so for the queso dip, you're gonna need this Velveeta Queso Blanco along with some milk. I don't know how much milk we're gonna need yet. We're gonna kind of play it by ear as it melts.
So once you get done cooking it and browning your ground beef, you want to put your heat on medium-high.
That's medium. This is medium high, clown.
So you're going to add your 1.5 cups of uncooked white rice. Next, you're going to add your taco seasoning.
All right, y'all, Alex was about to grab a teaspoon for the garlic powder. I was like, we measure with love around here, especially with garlic. He already knows. More than that. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, that's like a tablespoon, or maybe 3.
So now you want to add 3.5 cups of chicken broth. So now you're going to add 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. So now you're going to stir your mixture. You want to bring this to a gentle boil. So once it comes to a gentle boil, then you're going to turn your heat down to low.
And then you're gonna cook it for about 25 minutes and stir it occasionally or until the rice is tender. Also, I always have a lot of you ask about these pans. We have pots and pans just like this. Unfortunately, they don't make them anymore. I wish they did because they are so beautiful. All right, let's check on it. Ooh, look, stir it up real good. It looks delicious. We are about to make some queso and pour it on top when it's done. All right, so go ahead and grab your Queso Blanco Velveeta cheese.
So you're going to go ahead and cut your Velveeta, make it into cubes so it'll be easier to cook. So you're going to add your cubes. So you're going to pour a little bit of milk, play it by ear, see how much more you might need to add.
All right, so this is what it looks like before you add the queso. It already looks delicious.
So when you're done melting your cheese, you're going to pour it over your skillet.
And that, my friends, is your finished product. Let's get Alex to try it really quick. All right, so Alex is gonna try it. You're gonna use a fork?
You don't use a fork. What else? You gonna use your fingers?
I don't know. I figured you might use your spoon.
It's good.
It's good. How would you rate it?
Yeah, about 6.
He only gives it a 6, y'all. Let me try it. Oh, come on, it's at least an 8. At least an 8. And I don't even like Velveeta cheese that much, but this is good. I'm not gonna lie, it's so good. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Alex gave it a 6 out of 10. I gave it an 8 out of 10. Don't listen to him. I'm just kidding.
If you like trying new recipes, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye.
Bye.